Hi, my name is Gary Fogg, the maintenance manager here at Four Peaks Brewing. The brewery started here in Arizona, coming up on 30-year anniversary. Started out as a small little brew pub, moved on to a larger size craft brewery, brewing about 90,000 barrels this year. Every year we're challenged with budgets and increased costs every year with products going up. Cost of shipping goods and things like that are always our top challenge. The relationship between NOVAIR and Four Peaks started with just a simple Google search. They came up in a search that showed they make oxygen generation on a standalone system that stood up to what pressures we need and injection rate, and then we made a partnership. Our cost of oxygen have increased year after year, if not multiple times a year. I think when I started, bottle costs were about $100 per bottle, and I think now they're north of $300. So we're usually changing that bottle anywhere from 3 to 4 times per week. So our cost savings for switching from oxygen bottles to an oxygen generator, one is, we're always looking at ROI, and if something can return on our investment with under a year, it's a huge win for us. With something like this, we had a return in under 6 months. For sizing, comes down to ROI. But anywhere, I think from maybe 15,000 barrels, you'll see a return within 2 years. With oxygen generation, we do have a consistent temperature that we can inject oxygen into our beer line with the least amount of impact. For oxygen generation size for a craft brewery, I think one, it comes down to how much oxygen you're consuming on a daily basis. Second is, what kind of pressures you see running off your header lines. And then how do you care about the quality of your beer?